You've just crushed it. Muscles burning, lungs pumping, and the fire inside you still blazing. You're feeling unstoppable. But here's the truth. That last rep? That final sprint? That sweaty grind? It was only half the battle. Because right now, inside your body, your muscles are in crisis. They're torn. They're starving. They're screaming for nutrients. And what you eat next will either ignite growth or slow you down. So in this video, we reveal the 10 best foods to eat after a workout. Not based on hype, not based on guesswork, but based on real science too. Speed up recovery, maximize muscle growth, reduce soreness, and turn your effort into results. Eggs aren't just breakfast. They're muscle repair bombs. Each egg contains 6 grams of complete protein, meaning all 9 essential amino acids, especially leucine, the trigger for muscle protein synthesis. Let's dive in. 1. Eggs, nature's muscle multivitamin. And don't fear the yolk, it's packed with vitamin D, choline, and healthy fats that boost recovery. Pro tip, add spinach, tomatoes, or avocado for added nutrients. 2. Greek yogurt, protein plus probiotics powerhouse. 1 cup of Greek yogurt delivers 15 to 20 grams of protein, including casein for slow digestion and whey for fast absorption. Plus, the probiotics improve your gut health, helping you absorb protein and nutrients better. Want to upgrade it? Add some berries for antioxidants and almonds for a dose of healthy fats. 3. Chicken breast, clean, lean, and effective. Chicken breast is the OG of recovery meals. It's lean. It's high in protein. It digests efficiently. Just 100 grams gives you over 30 grams of protein with virtually 0 carbs or fat interference. Pair it with complex carbs like brown rice or sweet potato, and you've got the perfect anabolic meal. 4. Salmon, anti-inflammatory recovery fuel. Salmon isn't just protein, it's healing fuel. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, it reduces inflammation, speeds up recovery, and improves insulin sensitivity, helping shuttle nutrients into your muscles. It's also rich in vitamin B12 and D, essential for energy metabolism and bone health. Bonus: the combo of protein plus healthy fats makes it ideal for both lean bulking and recovery. 5. Quinoa, the smart carb with bonus protein. Carbs are critical post-workout. Your muscles need to replenish glycogen. But instead of white rice, go for quinoa, a complex carb that also packs 8 grams of protein per cup. Plus, it's rich in magnesium and iron, which help reduce cramps and support oxygen transport to muscles. Pair quinoa with beans or chicken for a complete plant protein-packed meal. 6. Cottage cheese, nighttime recovery hero. Cottage cheese is rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that provides a steady amino acid release over hours. Perfect for post-evening workouts or before bed to repair muscles while you sleep. It also contains glutamine, which supports recovery and immune function. Pro tip, mix with pineapple chunks for added vitamin C and taste. 7. Sweet potatoes, glycogen reload with nutrient power. After intense exercise, your glycogen stores are empty. That's where sweet potatoes shine. They provide complex carbs, beta-carotene, potassium, and fiber, perfect for muscle refueling and fighting inflammation. They stabilize blood sugar and digest slowly, no crash, no bloating. Pair with salmon or eggs for the ultimate recovery combo. 8. Protein shake with banana, the fast lane to recovery. In a rush? No time to cook? Then this is your go-to. A whey protein shake with banana. Whey protein equals fast digesting, muscle repairing amino acids. Banana equals simple carbs plus potassium to prevent cramping. Together, they deliver instant recovery fuel within the crucial 30-minute post-workout window. Optional additives: peanut butter for healthy fats or oats for sustained energy. 9. Tuna on whole grain toast, the muscle sandwich. Canned tuna is budget-friendly, protein-rich, and easy to prep. 1 can equals up to 40 grams of lean protein. Put it on whole grain bread for slow-releasing carbs and boom, you've got a muscle-building sandwich that's portable and powerful. Top with avocado for healthy fats and fiber. Recovery never tasted this good. 10. Chocolate milk, the surprising recovery super drink. It might surprise you, but low-fat chocolate milk is backed by science as a recovery drink. It hits the golden 4-to-1 ratio of carbs to protein, perfect for refueling glycogen and supporting muscle growth. Plus, it's got electrolytes, calcium, and it's easy to digest. Pro tip: stick to real milk, not sugar-loaded chocolate drinks. Honorable mentions. And because we believe in going the extra mile, here are a few honorable mentions that are worth adding to your post-workout arsenal. Oats with almond butter. Great balance of carbs, protein, and healthy fats. Beef jerky plus fruit. Portable protein and carbs on the go. Lentils plus brown rice. Plant-based powerhouse. Hummus plus whole grain pita. Great for light meals or snacks. Smoothies with spinach, protein, and berries. Nutrient-loaded and customizable. Every rep you lift, every mile you run, every drop of sweat you shed. It all comes down to this: recovery, nutrition, progress. Your food is your fuel, and the right choices after a workout, they don't just feed your muscles, they define your results. So the next time you finish a session, don't ask, "What should I eat?" Ask, "What will help me rebuild, recover, and rise stronger?" Because now you know. Liked the video? Smash that like button, subscribe for more science-backed fitness tips, and share this with someone who hits the gym hard but forgets the kitchen matters just as much. Until next time, train hard, recover smart.